been a couple of days since I've actually recorded a clip with the like GoPro audio and everything. I've just been recording time lapses of stuff I've been doing. What I think I left off on was engine stuff, cleaning the engine bay. But then I moved on to cleaning the trunk because I'm done with the engine bay and I need to order parts to finish it. Get it as clean as I can. I get as much dust out as possible. I'm gonna go over it with some wax and grease remover before I paint it. I'm only gonna paint just all the way across this line here and then stop right here, paint right here to here. Maybe not actually, maybe just to here because this is gonna be covered. So I'm gonna paint all of that. I have to go today. Actually, I'm going to get some rust primer and black spray paint. So I'll prime that area with rust and I'm gonna wet sand everywhere else around that. So that's it for the trunk right now. Under the hood here, I got this cleaned up as much as I want to, really. I'll probably clean it up more whenever I take the engine out here. Not anywhere here in the near future, but it's cleaned enough for me right now. What we're doing today, we're going to get underneath the car for the first time and we're gonna pull the cats out. Now, oh, I just busted my chin off the fender of the car. That wasn't the rat. What the fuck broke? All that yeah, that's about to break. Yep. Holy shit. The hell were these put on with? 2 extensions have been broken. Who the hell put these damn things on there? Oh, it's too nice. All right, let's see what's actually going on down here. Okay, so there's the leak air. That's definitely it's definitely leaking a little bit. Train. Dog. Apollo. Come here, Apollo. Train. Look, you can see the lights. You can see the lights. Train. Train station front property over here. Oh! What's that? Is that a 1997 BMW M3 exhaust? Wow, how'd that get here? What we're gonna do tonight is we're going to wet sand this, prime it, and paint it. Oh yeah, she'll go quick. She'll go quick, bye. I mean, look at that. That looks pretty damn good, I think. Man, that looks really good. It's time to put all these covers back on, and I am not cleaning it any more than what it is right now. So the only thing we are going to be cleaning to put back in this trunk, like scrubbing wise, are these liners here. The liner, this is a liner for the right side by where the battery goes, and then that's the liner for the left side. And this was just rolled up in a ball in there, and I have not opened it up yet, so I don't know what type of conditions it's in. It's not bad. Let's see about this one here. Not bad. So, I don't really want to take it outside because it's like 35 out right now. So I want to try and do that in here. I may or may not just use a carpet scrubber and just wipe the back of it off. But first we need to vacuum those. We got the trunk trim back in this unit here. Man, it looks really good. I wish I had an actual good light to where you could see, but I don't have any of the things that hold these in, so I have to order them off FCP Euro. All right, so if you want to talk about the most annoying thing you could possibly do, take about 7 days worth of footage from someone that has absolutely no idea what they're doing, and then try and make a video out of it. I got 7 minutes and 40 seconds out of probably, I don't know, 8 hours worth of footage. Needless to say, this video has been probably one of the most frustrating things I've ever done in my life, considering I couldn't even cobble together 10 minutes of it. But you know, E36 stuff will resume shortly. I'm gonna put out the videos I got on right now and then immediately start on all this other stuff. So I got some wheels here, got some Pilot Sports, got bumper, got headlights, I got a new grill, it's already on it. You know, E36 stuff's booming right now. I do hope you enjoyed the 7 minutes and 46 seconds of joy that this video was. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. I do hope to make better videos in the future. These are kind of just bull crap. I know that. I hope you know that. I'm better than this. I'm way, trust me, I'm a lot better than this, and not real happy, but you know, gotta put them out. I hope to see you in the next one. If you don't kind of understand that, but you know, there's a lot to come.
Yeah, I'm all in. Brody on the line, I'm tapping in. Got out here pulling the strings for me. A girl on the line, she feeling me. Preoccupied by the motivation. Put in the time, pay the entry fee. Bro on the right, yeah, he kinda nice. Inside of my mind, no one's real as me. Lately, life has been gorgeous. Wake up to clear, my eyes hit recorded. Praise up to God, I ain't chasing no. Swinging the miss, got me hitting these lips.